Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needle. This day I am here with a beautiful motif titled Whirlpool flower motif, and this is again a convertible technique motif. First a circle is made and then it is converted into a square with following few techniques. Okay, let us go into the video without much delay. Chain 8, slip stitch and join to the very first chain. You may chain 6 and begin, or make a double crochet, standing double crochet. Chain 3, 1 double, chain 3, 1 double, make 7 times so that you have 8 doubles and 8 chain 3 spaces. I shall complete and get back. Come to the end of the round here, chain 3, slip stitch to the very first DC or the third chain of chain 6. Ordinary slip stitch you can do, no issues. Slip stitch to the next chain space. Now make a standing double or chain 3 and begin. Place 3 more doubles. Chain 2, 4 doubles in the next chain 3 space. Actually this pattern is worked in 3 colors, but I am working with the multicolor yarn, baby cake iron yarn. Chain 2, so the colors will take its own splash. So every chain 3 space has got 4 doubles separated by 2 chains between the 4 doubles. So continue the pattern till the end. I shall meet you where I began my stitch. We've come to the end of this round here. Now instead of chaining 2 and joining, directly make a half double crochet into the first stitch so that you bring the yarn to the end of this round here. Now chain 1 and make a double crochet. Second double crochet. Three and 4. So each chain 2 space is going to have 6 double crochets, but I'm going to work the last 2 later and going to come and slip stitch and join over here. And these sets of 6 double crochets are separated by different number of chains according to the corner we are going to make. Now chain 1 and place 6 double crochets in the next chain 2 space. Now we are going to make a corner, hence we are going to make chain 3 and go over to the next chain 2 space and place 6 double crochets. Chain 1 again. 6 double crochets. Oh my god, my hand is very loose. My grip is loose. Acha. So this is the corner, 6 doubles, 1 chain space, 6 doubles, again we make the corner, again chain 1, 6 doubles, continue. Every chain 2 space is going to have 6 doubles, but only how they are separated differs. In the corners, we have 4 corners, we have 3 chain spaces. So continue for the entire round. I shall get back where I started. We've come to the end of the round here. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain 1 spaces and 3 chain 3 spaces. This is the fourth one. So I have chain 3 and place 2 double crochets because we started with 4. Now slip stitch and join to the very first double crochet or the third chain of chain 3. Join from behind. You need to pick up that V stitch there, the top V. This is the V we have to pick up. It will hide and pull this through. Now we have 6 doubles here. Slip stitch into the space between the middle 2 doubles. Chain 1 and place a single crochet there. So this is a corner. Now chain 3, single crochet and a chain 1 space, chain 3, again single crochet between the middle 2 DCs of 6 DC group, chain 3, place 2 doubles, chain 3, 2 doubles in the corner. When we work in the circle, we can begin anywhere, but we should be conscious of the stitches that we are placing. We should place them properly. Okay. Now chain 3, a single crochet between the middle 2 DCs of next 6 DCs, chain 3, single crochet under chain 1 space, chain 3, again single crochet. So we have 3 sets of chain 3 spaces, 4 sets rather. Chain 3 and 2 doubles. Again continue the same pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. We've come to the end of the round here. From a circular motif we have converted it into a square. Now I have slip stitched and joined, chain 1, and it's going to be a single crochet round. Place a single crochet in the very first single crochet we slip stitch. The last stitch under the chain space, place 3 singles, 1 single on single and 3 singles. Under every chain 3 space, 3 singles, single on single crochet, and 1 single each on each of the next 2 DCs. We have come to the corner. Place 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochets. So continue. Every chain 3 space will have 3 singles, and every stitch will have 1 single crochet each on them. And when you come to the corner, you'll have to place 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet. Continue all around. I shall also complete and get back. Come to the end of the round here. Now pull up, fasten off. We need to fasten off, slip stitch and fasten off. Cut the yarn. So let us do the invisible join. So this is the first single crochet, this is the second single crochet. No, this is the first single crochet, this is the second. So insert the hook from behind this and pull up. And this is the last single we worked. So insert the hook from the back loop. Here we go. We have completed the square. This square is termed as Whirlpool. Whirlpool square under the Granny Square series. So if you require, you can make a slip stitch join. I mean slip stitch around. It's not required. It's up to you. It's your wish. Okay. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked the stitch. Do get back to us if you have any queries or feedback in the comments section. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do share, like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.